Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Ashley and today I thought I would do something kind of fun and a little bit different. I don't think I've ever done this type of video before, but basically what I'm saying is I thought I would do a little what's in my purse video. I don't think I've ever done this before. I think I've done a blog post of what's in my purse, but I don't think I've ever actually done a video before. So I thought it might be fun just to do this real quick. I need to clean out my purse anyway, to be perfectly honest, so this just gives me kind of an excuse. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. What is in my purse? So, I've actually had this bag for a really long time, which I really like because that means it's well made. So the first thing that I have in my purse is extra contacts. I always like to carry a pair of contacts with me or a set of contacts with me just in case if I feel like switching over to contacts instead of glasses. So contacts. The next thing that I have in my purse is a pack of hair ties, just very basic ones, nothing fancy. I also have a lens cleaner for my glasses. Keys, can't forget your keys. I wanted to show you guys these real quick. So I did get key covers and they're called monkeys. You can see them, they're super cute. They help just separate out like which keys are for what. So keys. Okay, so that's that pocket. Now in the main pocket here, I do have my case and my sunglasses, my prescription sunglasses. So I don't want to like flash you guys here, but probably would be better if I kept my glasses in their case. I also have this USB flash drive, which I need to put pictures on for my soon-to-be sister-in-law. I took pictures of her baby boy recently and I need to get them on this flash drive. Let's see. Embarrassing wrappers, just garbage, snack stuff. I am pregnant, so I tend to carry snacks in my purse, and that means that I usually end up with garbage. So, of course, I've got my wallet. I'm not gonna go over what's in my wallet. It's pretty boring and very basic. Next up, of course, wouldn't be the times we're in if I didn't have a face mask in my purse. I like to go through my purse like this once in a while and also make sure that I switch out my mask frequently because in case if you didn't know, they do harbor bacteria, which is pretty disgusting and gross. So you want to make sure to swap these out once in a while. I do also have a little tiny thing of hand sanitizer. I don't even know if this is like clean or if it's even non-toxic or whatever, but this was just one that I grabbed and I've been using and I'm actually almost out, so I do need to replenish that. In fact, if you guys have any recommendations for hand sanitizer, go ahead and leave a comment down below because I'd be really curious to know what you guys have been using. More garbage. I do have another case for glasses and these are for my old ones that I don't have anymore, so I should probably not carry this around. I always keep a pen with me because if you are out and about and you need to sign anything for some reason, I don't like using other people's pens. I do like to have my own, so I do carry around a pen with me. Now for the real reason why we're doing this, I really wanted to show you guys the makeup products that I carry in my purse. So this is the fun part. Okay, so first things first, I have the lipstick in the shade called Flirt With Me, which I have used a ton of that. I really do love this lip color, it's beautiful. I'm wearing I Love You right now, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on top because it adds some shimmer and shine, which I love. I have to always carry a Rallye Balm with me. I'm running low a little bit on this as well, but so I do need to get more, but I always usually have a Rallye Balm with me in my purse because with all the mask wearing and everything, my lips just get so dry, and they're just dry in general because of the climate right now. So now I have maybe a little bit of a problem with lip gloss because I have all of these in my purse. I don't know why I need all of them, but I do have all of them. So the first color that I have in my purse here is in the shade called Cabernet Kiss, which is a really beautiful purpley pinky color. And I feel like a lot of people think that this is going to be really dark, but let me show you guys. It actually goes on pretty sheer, so it looks really good over the top of any of like the berry type lipsticks, or just even on its own as like a sheer stain. So It's going to be right next to the I Love You swatch that I did earlier. It's a really beautiful gloss. I love this one. The next color is called Amor Caliente, which I actually don't really wear that often, but I started wearing it recently. And this is like a really beautiful kind of like pinky red color with a little tiny bit of shimmer to it. The next lip gloss is in the shade called Sun Sparkles, which looks like it's going to have a little bit of a peachy tint to it, but it actually goes on clear. So this is a really great one for everyday wear and also just over the top of really any lipstick color. It works great like that. The next lip gloss is in the shade called Berried Treasure, which is one of my all-time favorite colors. I think I've had like 5 tubes of this. And I really just love this one. It's hard for me to describe why I love it because I don't know why, but the color is beautiful. It has a little bit of shimmer and shine to it, and it looks really good over the top of my natural lip color. So I really do enjoy this one. Okay, the next one is called Queen of Hearts, which I also don't really wear a lot of. So I'm also not really sure why I have it. I did have this in my purse, I think, over like the holidays, but similar to Cabernet Kiss, this one actually goes on pretty sheer, so you're not really going to get a ton of color out of it. It more or less just gives you like a little bit of a tint to your lips. And it goes on more pinky than red, in my opinion, but it looks great over the top of other red lipsticks as well, so I do like that. And then this would be another all-time favorite lip gloss, and this is the color called Honey Badger, which is like a nude colored gloss. And I've also had many tubes of this color as well. I love this one. It's beautiful. And I would say that out of all of our glosses, this Mint to Beeline is my favorite. You won't really be able to see this, I don't think, in a swatch because it goes on pretty lightly and pretty sheer. But I do like to apply this over the top of, what's that color called? Really any of the nude lipsticks, but particularly New York. I do like this one over the top of New York. It's really pretty. And moving on to other things. I have this little Fetal Photos flash drive in my purse. This was left over, or I still have it from when we went and had pictures done of my baby boy. So have that. I also have a few of these left over from the first trimester. These little ginger candies. They help with like nausea and stuff. These actually are gluten-free, and I do like these. It tastes really good. I'm actually gonna have one right now. They're really good. I like them. And that's all that's in my purse. So I think that this was a good little excuse for me to do a video and also clean out my purse for starting fresh in the new year. But yeah, this is my purse. And that was everything that was inside of it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of random, but if you did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. But until next time, take care. Bye.